Hello, good morning. Sipain mo yun. Uy, wag gano'n. Hi, Reniel. Good morning. Walang ganun. Walang sisipa. Hindi na nga namin kayo alagaan. Naghahanap ako aampo ng pusa ko. Tagasan ka po, beautiful. Dito lang sa Fairview. Bas. Sina. Watching you makes me want to exercise. Why? Di man ako nag-exercise eh. No mosquito in your house. No. Exercise. Hi, Louise. Good morning. Shall we? Anthony, shall we? Hi, Josh. Thank you, Josh. Di po ako anong age? Mukha ba ako 19? 19 pa lang. Ay, sino yun? Sino yun? Thank you, Adam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, shall we, Carl? Good morning. Di joke lang. Ano di joke lang? Sino? Bata ka pa naman. Anong bata? Hello, Domingo. Bakit? Hello, good morning. No name. Mukidi, shall we? Fast. Oh, you don't understand the exercise meaning? What do you mean? Fast or slow? No, fast or slow? Mga tanungan nyo. Can you count down 20 to 10? Why? 20 to 0. Sabi sa sayo ka. Ano siya sayo? Hi, shall we Marquez family? Taray family. Eat time, you're not angry. Ako ba ang galit? You're so innocent. You don't know what you're talking about. Should I go? Huh? I think you should go. Thank you, thank you. Hi, PJ. Good morning. Kamusta, PJ? No, he is exercising. Hi, Anthony. Ang ganda po ng boses. Bagay po sa lobby. Lobby? We're in Philippines. Wala ano. Diyan lang ako. Tabi-tabi lang. Hi, babe. Good morning, babe. Where are you from? In the Philippines. Guess. Diyan nga lang ako. Tabi-tabi lang. Nantok ako. Road to 3-star ka na. Oh my. Ano ba yung 3-star? Hi, Chris. Good morning. Ayun, nakaalam yun eh. Kamusta po? Okay.